welcome back, my beardies. What is up? So, on today's episode with the Franken bike, I wasn't too impressed with the sprocket that it came with on the back of it. So, what I'm going to do is put this new one on that we ordered. I ordered, it was a 51 tooth. So, we're going from 35 tooth. I don't know. It just doesn't have the juices. So I did. It's a little cold out here today in the garage. Just a little bit. Damn Kansas weather. I'll tell you that much. There we go. Alright. Now that that is on. Oh, lordy, lordy. Impact. All right, let's get this back wheel taken off. This damn thing. I swear. How many times have we had this back tire on and off? One too many times. That's alright. Man, this... And... this thing was almost... I thought was almost the same size as the sprocket on the Tudio. But the Tudio sprocket's still way bigger. Way bigger. The Tudio sprocket is I believe it was a 60 tooth sprocket that they had on that one. Which is crazy. Crazy! Back in. Chain. Alright, there we have it. 35 tooth sprocket. Time for this big boy. Yes, just took these bolts out of here. Bam. Check her out. All right, now. Quick and easy there. Now let's turn this around here. We'll see what happens here. Get my knee pads. Getting too old. These knees, man, be killing me some days. Ugh. All right. See what we are working with here. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to add some chain to it. Bam. Fender there. There's a fender there, Jack. I'll find what I did with the other baggie with the extra what should we call it here? Give me a second, I'm having a brain fart. Oh, God damn it. Master Link, there we go. Damn, was it really that hard to figure out the damn name there, boy? Just a little bit there, Poppy. Alright, a little thing, little parts hanging up on the wall. Bada boom. bada bang. Boom. We're in business, folks. We're in business. Get back in there. Adjust it once it's on there. Just go from there like that. Alright. This right there. Come on. Ow! There we go. Can't do me like that, mother trucker. Bam! Slide that right there, like so. Bam. Damn, well, that's a whole lot of chain on there. Alright, so we're gonna have to pull a couple links out on this. But it should be okay. Ouch. I hate these freaking things. They don't leave you room for a wrench. Well, I guess a little bit for a wrench, but barely, man, barely. Alright. Need to impact real quick. Alright, what'd we do? Well, I thought I had it down here. Oh, there it is. It's up top, fool. Get this back off of here, take some links out. Alright, fall off then, brother. Alright, let's see here. Where are we at? Chain tool. Come on, baby. There we go. Thank you. All right. Right there. Actually, it might tighten up with this one right there. Actually, it just might be just enough. That'd be cool. Alright. Man, hopefully this really Helps it a little bit. And the only reason why I was really putting a bigger sprocket on the front too, like I am, is because this thing sucks going uphill a little bit. So, like I said, just trying to give myself a little bit more acceleration power here. Hopefully, it'll do the job. Really think we might have to pop one more of these off, guys. Will you just give me the damn thing? Sheesh. Oh no, oh there it is. Damn, just go flying off of there, why don't you, bro?
Okay.
There it went. It's a good thing for these things, but sometimes these things can really be a damn pain in the ass. But I'm glad they make them. 'Cause I remember back when I was younger, man, I used to beat the hell out of these things just to try to get one of them out. And it was insane because they wouldn't come out. And look, now I done got this stuck in the hole. Bro, you better give me back my damn... You gotta be kidding me. Thank you. Gosh, dang. Damn, that's still a little sloppy there. Oh. Ugh. Alright, well, I guess we're going to take out a couple freaking holes. Probably one. Maybe I'll figure it out here in just a second. Alright, listen here, Butterfingers. We're not doing this with the chain again, buddy. You're not getting stuck on there. Oh, yeah? Alright. Try this again. Perfect. I told you she was gonna be tight. Ease up some. Almost there. Alright, I think. That's pretty well where I want it. Alright. Ouch. Oh, I'm getting old. Ankle problems. Alright. Put this thing down on the ground. Ugh. Dude, that looks like that fits that way better. All right. There we have it. Cool camera ladies out here. We're done. Hell yeah, guess what, folks? Now she can hold the camera while we test her out.
Okay. Wyatt.
All right, guys. This is gonna be the final moment right here. Turn the gas on, boy. I have now. It doesn't look too terribly bad on here either. Almost looks like it was meant for it, not that big ass or that little ass one. Already feels like it. That gave it a little. Helped it. I definitely lost a shit ton of go-go. As soon as I hit fourth gear, I'm like, let's get ready to shift it again. There's no more to go. I'm like, uh-oh. So, with that being the 52, I mean, it ain't bad. It does what I need it to do, so I know it'll definitely climb a hill now without a problem. Dude, that's actually perfect. All right, well, here we have it, guys. We just installed a 50-tooth sprocket on, or 52 tooth on this 125 Franken bike. Almost forgot what the hell it was there for a second. So, well, there's that. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you have the bell notification turned on so then you are always notified for when a new video comes out. Peace out, my beardies.